This is Zafrabad, a small village in the border region of Punjab, where rice has been cultivated on 25 acres of land using organic fertilizer. The use of bio-organic Maya fertilizer has increased the yield by 35 to 40%. The cultivation of super basmati rice on weaker agricultural land has attracted a large crowd to witness the exceptional harvest. If an average yield of 40 to 45 mounds is achieved, it becomes profitable for the farmers. Its fragrance, flour, and color, even if you examine the grains, the rice looks golden. Basmati rice has historically been our product in the world, but India has taken it from us. People were consistently leaving, but this fertilizer formula has brought them back, offering reliable benefits. This is certified by Syed Babar Bukhari, who has prepared the bio-organic Maya fertilizer using marine seaweed and other natural herbs. It has been lab-tested and certified by the Agriculture Department of Faisalabad University, and I even have their registration. This fertilizer is entirely made from herbs. The bio-organic Maya fertilizer has been awarded verification and commendation certificates by several institutions, including the Agricultural University of Faisalabad. Syed Babar Bukhari states that the formula can increase the yield of other crops as well, contributing to poverty alleviation.